How to equip emotes in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about equipping emotes in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your favorite web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, tap on the avatar section that you will find in the left-hand side of the screen between the friends and sandbox option. Once you tap on avatar, this will take you to avatar editor option. Now from the options that appear in the top, tap on animations, and from the drop-down menu that appears, tap on emotes. That is the initial option in this page. Once you're in the emotes section, you will see various emotes that are available. You can see that I have equipped the emotes like salute, applaud, shrug, point to, stadium, and hello. Now to equip an emote, left click on the emote that you want to use. Click on Equip Emotes option, and here you can choose a slot or an emote that you want to set. Simply tap and drag it on the slot and release it. This way you can easily equip the emotes that you have available on your Roblox. You don't need to save anything, just exit the menu, and that's how you can equip emotes in Roblox. I hope this helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.